Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Natural Language Processing like a senior developer. As the name suggests, I'm a senior developer and I'm gonna teach you how to learn programming like a senior developer. Number one, you will learn natural language processing like a senior developer. We have lots of cool applications. For example, you could build a translator using natural language processing, like Google Translator. Another application, for example, is a chat robot. You could build a chat robot that can communicate with customers. How cool is that? Or, for example, if you do sentimental analysis, we could analyze the review of customers to see if they are happy or sad about this product. That's so cool, right? Tons of applications. More recently, this is very cool application that I'm working on right now. This is really edge technology, is that you can use natural language processing to build an AI programmer, an AI that can do programming. How cool is that, right? Okay, number two, you will learn how to find answers using Google Stack Overflow search. This is a very critical skill that unfortunately no online course is teaching you. You will learn during this course. Number three, you will learn to think like a senior developer. I'm gonna help you improve your problem solving skill. It's a very important skill. Number four, every video is a mini project. You will work as a team member. You're gonna be our AI engineer in that mini project. This is very important. It's gonna stimulate your role in a team. Later, if you work in a company, then you're gonna interact with other people. Last but not least, you'll get a Python ML developer certificate issued by my company in South Korea. Of course, you have to pass an exam. Don't worry, the content of the exam is from this tutorial. And you can put your certificate in your resume, show to your friends, family, and be proud that you finished this NLP course and graduated from this course. Thank you so much. So let me talk a little bit about myself. My name is Sajad Rahmdel. I'm 33 right now. I'm a senior software developer working in South Korea. Actually, I've been working in South Korea for about 10 years. I was born in Iran. I've done over 20 large projects here in South Korea. I've worked with South Korean military. I've worked with big telecommunication companies like KT here in South Korea. And about programming languages, I have a diverse understanding. I have a broad understanding of programming. I've done mobile application developments, web development, and more importantly, I've done machine learning using Python and cool Python libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch. I've done image categorization, natural language processing, deep learning, reinforcement learning. Don't worry if you don't understand some of these words. This is just a brief introduction about myself. Thank you so much. So in this section, I want to talk about the issues with current online and offline courses that I've seen on Udemy, Coursera, YouTube. Unfortunately, all these courses, the majority of them are not built by senior developers, and that's not how we do development. So the first issue that I want to talk about is right here. Most online offline courses give you a fish to eat. They don't teach you how to catch a fish. And the problem with that is when they give you a fish to eat, you will be hungry and you should go back to get another fish. Actually, senior developers don't do this. So look at this image. It's me, it's you, and I'm gonna teach you how to become a fisherman. Whenever you're hungry, you can go catch your own fish. So, what does it mean to give a fish when it comes to programming? In other online, offline courses that I've seen, for example, they want to teach you how to open a text file in Python. This is how they do it. They give you a command. They say if you want to open a file, type open and put the file name in here. You can open a file in Python, and they explain this command. The problem with this method is that we have hundreds of libraries in Python, and each library has thousands of commands, right? So do you expect me to memorize all these commands? Do you expect me next time when I need another command come to your course hoping that I can find this command with its how to use this command? So this is giving a fish to you, and this open command is a fish, and you might need another command which is another fish. This is not the right way of doing it, and this is definitely not how us senior developers program. Then how do I do it as a senior developer? So okay, what is the problem? First, I don't memorize any commands. Honestly, seriously, I know 10 programming languages, and I don't memorize commands. It's very bad because our brain is not built to memorize things. We do search Google to find solution for problems. Okay, in our simple example, so okay, I want to open a text file in Python. I'm not gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this. Look at this. How to open a .txt file in Python. I search Google. In the list, I start with the first one, and I read this. Okay, if I want to open a file, I should use this command, which is called open. And I read about open. Okay, this is how I'm supposed to do it. That is how we work, and that is how you will learn to work during this course. How cool is that, right? Thank you. The second problem with the majority of online offline courses I've seen is they do not help you improve your problem solving skills. The problem is if you don't improve your problem solving skill, let's say you finish an online course, okay, you do 2-3 projects during this course, and then you go start working in a company. The project that you have in that company is very different with the 2-3 projects that you did during your online course, and then you need to have problem solving to successfully finish your company project. Unfortunately, they don't teach you problem solving skill, most of these online courses. So they teach you using traditional teaching methods, school method, which are useless. They just go teach you bunch of libraries, algorithms with examples, and you learn, you work hard, really focus learning on these libraries, memorizing those commands with the hope that you can use them in the future project in your company. Again, if you memorize something, come on man, you're gonna forget these things. Our human brain is fragile. If the time passes, after 6 months you forget the majority of things. Think about it, guys. How many of you guys have learned chemistry during high school, mid school? All of us, right? And now you're a programmer, you're not even using chemistry. Do you remember any of those content when you learned about chemistry? Of course you don't. This method of traditional schooling is broken, as mentioned by CEO of Tesla company Elon Musk. Elon Musk is not sending his kids to school. He's homeschooling his kids because he knows the system is broken. This is from this. If you search Google for this article, you will see what I'm explaining in here from Elon Musk. So Elon Musk says in traditional schooling, this is how they teach you to do things. They teach you what is a wrench and how to use a wrench. They teach you what is a screwdriver and how to use a screwdriver. Then they say, okay, we want to disassemble an engine, use these tools to disassemble this engine. According to Elon Musk, this way of learning is not correct, is not gonna help you improve your problem solving. This is the right way of doing it. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is we want to disassemble this engine. Okay, I want to disassemble this engine. What tools do I need in order to do this task? I need a wrench and I need a screwdriver. Okay, I don't know how to use a wrench and a screwdriver, so I'm gonna go learn how to use a wrench and a screwdriver, and then I'm gonna use these tools to disassemble this engine. This is the right way of learning. What does it mean in programming? How are we gonna do it in this course? In this course, every video is gonna be a mini project. How cool is that? And you have a problem to solve. For example, I'm your project manager and you are our AI engineer, right? Remember? So I will come to you, hey man, we have a great new idea. We want to create a website called Personal Info Hider. The users can upload a file, and your Python code should find personal information and hide them inside the file. Can you do it for me? And you, as AI engineer, you will say, sure, I can do it. And you will, okay, this is the problem. In order to solve this problem, what tools do I need to learn? And you will go learn those specific tools for this problem. You get it, guys? This is how us senior developers work, and this is how you're gonna learn to work during this course. Thank you so much.